Today we're making garlic egg sauce and it was so good. Trust me, it was so good and it was mind-blowing. First and first, you want to watch your garlic egg, a little bit of tomatoes, more of peppers and tartar shade. Then you wash it very well and cleanse and set aside. To your pot, add in your peeled and washed plantain, then go in with your garlic egg that is thoroughly washed and cleaned. Cover and allow to cook. You want to roughly blend your tomatoes, your crayfish. Roughly blend, guys, roughly blend. Trust me, this is going to be so good. I boiled my plantain and garlic egg for like 15 minutes and it was ready. I turned down the heat and take it off the heat, and now it's for our next step. You can use this sauce not just for plantain, but yam, cocoyam, and so on and so forth. So I pounded this slightly, roughly, of course. I pounded this roughly, and that was it, guys. If you're from Edo State, Nigeria, you will know this delicacy is sought after here in Edo State. So your pot or pan, go into your groundnut oil, not too much, or palm oil, your choice. Then go into curry, thyme, and onions. Stir the fry, then go in with your pepper mix, which is roughly blended. Cover and allow to fry. And within 10 minutes, you're having this well-fried pepper mix, which is just perfect for this delicacy. Stir this goodness together. And trust me, guys, by this time the kitchen was like everywhere was smelling so nice. I'm going with your smoked fish. I'm using mackerel and pala. Then I'm using Benny chicken seasoning. Then I add the chicken cube seasoning to just spice it up a little bit. Change the seasoning. Always have a way of elevating your dishes. Then you stir this goodness together and let it sit down and cook a little bit between 5 minutes, and we go to the next step. And trust me, by this time the kitchen was like smelling so good. Cover and allow this to cook for a few minutes, and just like that, our fish sauce is almost ready, which we're going to add, of course, our garlic paste, which we've already blended. At this point, just fry, then go in with your crayfish, of course. Then just a little bit add your garlic paste and keep adding till you're done. Then start stirring this goodness together, guys. Trust me. Of course, trust me, this is gonna be a banger, because if you follow this step by step, oh my god, you're gonna love it. Add a bit of water to loosen up a little bit and cover and allow to cook for just 2 minutes, and voila, our sauce is ready. I add a bit of pepper because I want it to be spicy. Your choice, your volume. So that's that. Check the seasoning volume if I need to add, but it was just perfect. Trust me. And just like that, our perfect sauce is ready. I garnish a little bit of onion stripes, and voila, we are done. I hope to see you in my next video. I love you and thanks for watching. Bye bye.